Hey bakers, today on Boston Girl Bakes, I'm going to show you how to make my favorite oatmeal chocolate chip cookie recipe. This recipe is super simple to throw together. It uses melted butter, so you don't even need your electric mixer for this, which is something I absolutely love about these cookies. And the key to the really great texture is have a little bit of patience. I love refrigerating the cookie dough overnight, and it makes for a really great texture, and it also helps the cookies from spreading too much. Although I have, in a pinch, I'll admit, baked them right away and they still come out great. So let's get started. Let's make my favorite oatmeal chocolate chip cookie.
Start by combining your dry ingredients: 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. And then all you need to do is simply give that a whisk to combine and then set that aside. And then in a second mixing bowl, combine your melted butter, light brown sugar, and granulated sugar. You can do this in your stand mixer, or you can just simply do this in a mixing bowl with a whisk and a spatula. Then add in your large eggs and vanilla extract for some flavor. And simply beat that to combine. Once that's all been combined, you can go ahead and add in the dry ingredients that you measured from before. And the key to any good cookie is to make sure to not overmix at this point. So you just want to mix the flour in, and then once you see the last of the flour has been mixed in, stop mixing at that point. Otherwise, you're going to develop too much gluten and will result in a really tough cookie. Then go ahead and add in your oats and chocolate chips. I like using old-fashioned oats for a bit of a heartier texture, but quick oats will definitely work. And I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips, but you can totally use milk chocolate or any flavor you want. Give that a stir. And now I prefer chilling my cookie dough for 24 hours. It just really improves the texture, and it's going to help spread a little bit less in the oven. But you can totally bake these right away. So go ahead and scoop them when they're ready, put them on a cookie sheet, and they are ready to bake. And here you can see what the cookies look like if you bake them immediately, or if you decide to chill them and bake them later. If you decide to chill and bake them later, you can see that they are definitely going to be thicker and they will spread less in the oven. So I totally recommend chilling the cookie dough, but either way results in a really great oatmeal cookie.
So that's how you make my favorite oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. If you love this recipe as much as I do, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, happy baking.